There is not a single baby in these cradles. Will draw a boy. First subscribe, MFactZohan, like, share, comment. And I will draw a girl in the other. Yes, now it's perfect. Now both these bathtubs have no water. Let me quickly add water in it. Now let me add water in this one too. And I will draw a towel here and another towel. Here! Oh, there are no chairs in the kitchen. Let me quickly make 2 chairs here. And I will make a nice cake here. Done, my dear friend. Come to my home, quickly erase everything. Erase it all, Mom. What are you doing? There was nothing inside. So I made all this. I even invited my friend to my...
Dad, I want some syrup.
Just a little bit. Okay.
More, Dad.
Just a little bit.
More. I want a lot.
Here, just a little bit more.
Dad, pour it all because I want a lot. A lot.
If I find this, can I finally quit my job? This is molten obsidian, named for that stunning rainbow sheen it reflects. It looks super high-end and expensive. The reality check when you try to sell it, it might actually be worth less than the power. Bank. In your pocket, if I find this, can I finally quit my job? This is a basement crystal, created by melting down business and letting it cool, while it's a 10/10 for science nerds. To an auction house, it's just a colorful piece of industrial art.
My milk bottle snack is better than yours.
My milk bottle snack is way better than yours.
Better how? Yours breaks as soon as you snap it.
Hey, why did you snap mine and break it?
Yours are the same as mine. They're just toys.
Actually, mine are not the same as yours. Just open the outer shell. They're actually delicious candies inside. Take a bite. They're crispy, crunchy, and taste like green tea.
Let me try one then. This one tastes like milk.
You can also put them in a cup, add water, and make a tasty drink. Let me taste. Milk flavor.
Wow, guys, if you want to taste this then, like and subscribe.
Wow, what a nice statue. Here, take some money.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you giving money to this statue?
What's the problem? I just gave it a little money.
Are you crazy? Can't you see how dirty it is? Wait, I'm gonna clean it myself with this towel.
Hey woman, what's that package you took out of your bag? It's not some chemical you're planning to pour on the statue to break it, right? I'm calling security.
Relax, it's not a chemical. It's a magic towel that expands with water, and with it, we can easily clean the statue. But friends, do you want to get this towel for free? Then leave a like and subscribe.
This guy is the only one who has this skills. He can paint straight lines perfectly on the cars in just one attempt. Even some big shot companies giving him some contracts to paint their limited edition cars. Because his precise allows him not only to draw a straight line, but even some complicated designs come in his unshakable hands. However, it makes me sad because he only got 2 likes.
Come on, guys, today I'm going to find lots of golden stones.
Hey, James, you're not going to find anything like that.
Oh wait, I forgot to add water. Let's check it properly now. Oh no, my luck is terrible. I didn't find even a single nice stone.
But look at me, I found so many beautiful stones.
Why am I not finding any?
Because you don't know the correct way to search for stones. I'll show you how. First, fill the basket with sand. Then, pour some water into it. After that, shake it gently to wash away the soil. And see, we've found so many cute, shiny stones.
Look, my mouth hurts so much, so whenever I eat spicy food, it burns like crazy. But you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna eat it anyway. But wait, it touched my wound, so I have an idea. Maybe I should eat everything at once. Take this! Oh my god, the burning is even worse. I can't feel my lips anymore. And as if that wasn't enough, it feels like I had jaw surgery. So please, guys, at least leave me a like.
Hey, Emma, what's going on?
Sam, I'm eating noodles. They're so tasty.
No, Emma, look, these noodles are so oily and spicy. If you eat so much oil and spice, you'll get sick. Let me use this gadget to remove all the oil and spice. I'll just stick it on the noodles and it will automatically absorb everything. Now look, the noodles are fresh and healthy.
I have a Spider-Man shaped candy. I have a Piggy Rider shaped candy.
I have this big taro.
This is not a candy. Go get a candy like ours, then we will play with you.
Uncle, can you make candy for me in exchange of this taro?
Kids, do you support me?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay, I will make a nice candy for you. Just watch, kids. I will have your candy ready in a few minutes. But will these people support us?
Yes, Uncle. The people who watching your video are very nice. They will definitely like your video and subscribe. Guys, please comment with your cute name.
Look, kids, your candy's ready.
Thank you, Uncle. Look, I have Paw Patrol candy.
Wow, that is a great candy. Now we can play together.